governor also called for limited use of marijuana as a medicine. Not everyone agrees that the drug has legitimate medical uses. We turn now to News 4's medical expert, Dr. Peter Ostro.
Well, the reason there's very little agreement is there's very little hard evidence. One welcome aspect of the governor's proposal is that we may finally be able to test whether marijuana really has medical uses. Many physicians believe legalization of marijuana shouldn't be a medical issue.
Marijuana is a recreational substance that society needs to deal with like they did with alcohol and with smoking. What place does it have in society? I wouldn't bring it through the medical route to answer that question.
But Governor Cuomo plans to make it a medical issue.
We'll establish a program allowing up to 20 hospitals to prescribe medical marijuana, and we will monitor the program to evaluate the effectiveness and the feasibility of a medical marijuana system.
The Department of Health contacted Roswell Park Cancer Institute about the program. Roswell's president, Dr. Donald Trump, supports it if it's done properly.
I think we have a continuing need to improve the care of cancer patients, reduce their symptoms, both of the disease and of the treatment. And under the right circumstances, this is something worth looking at for cancer patients.
We have many medications to ease the pain of cancer and its treatment, but could marijuana offer more benefit?
It's all testimonial with regard to smokable marijuana, and certainly I have heard pharmacologists suggest that the ability to modulate intake as symptoms come and go is more difficult to do with an oral medication might have some advantages. Maybe so, maybe not, but I think it's testable.
He wants real answers. Do the facts agree with the testimonials?
I personally believe we should only be involved in the use of medical marijuana in the context of a clinical trial.
It'll be difficult to design a well-controlled trial of marijuana, but if we're ever going to find out whether marijuana is beneficial or not, then that's what has to be done. So far, we haven't heard any details of the governor's proposal.
That's true. Okay, still waiting for that. But you mentioned testimonials, and we've heard from so many people who say they have been helped by it. So why not just let them have it?
You can do that, but then you'll never have proof, real proof. People also experience euphoria with marijuana. And that may be a big part of its so-called medical effect, and maybe that's legitimate. And that then becomes a societal issue, just as it was in Colorado, for instance.
Okay, not a medical issue.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you, doctor.